To Pakistan now, where the dry climate and vast rocky deserts may seem like an unlikely place to look for a green revolution. But the country has started one of the largest reforestation programs in the world. The government is currently in phase 1, planting more than 3 billion trees. Joining me now is Fasi Mangi in Karachi. Fasi, when you visited the tree site, what did you see there?
The site that I visited was an hour's drive from the southern part of Karachi, so it was on the main national highway that connects Karachi to the rest of the country. So basically, they're planting 10 to 12,000 trees over there. What was interesting for me was that they're selecting trees that relatively need less water. So they will be watering it daily for 6 months, and then they will skip a couple of days, and eventually some of the plants won't need any water supply at all after 5 years.
And what is the government hoping to achieve with the reforestation?
So Pakistan is seriously lagging behind with only 5% forest cover, unlike the global average of 31%. So the Prime Minister Imran Khan's plan is to plant 10 billion trees in 5 years. The government is in the first phase of planting over 3.25 billion trees. That comes to around about $650 million as the cost. The other thing is that the current setup is not new to planting trees. Before becoming the Prime Minister, Imran Khan was ruling one province of Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where he planted 1 billion trees, and they were able to raise the region's forest cover to 27% from 20% in 5 years' time. And the reason, all this is very important for Pakistan is that Pakistan is one of the 6 nations that will see the biggest impact of climate change according to the UN.
Yeah, 10 billion trees sounds like a lot, but are there any other countries thinking of doing this?
Globally, there are multiple countries. There are at least 15 countries that have made commitments last year, according to a list compiled by United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization. Pakistan has made the biggest promise out of that with 10 billion. Then there is Ethiopia with 4 billion. Then there's New Zealand with 1 billion trees, and so forth. Then there are other nations that are not part of that list, like Singapore, whose cover stands right now at 56%, which is much more higher than the global average of 31%. They're planning to plant 1 million more trees over the next decade. And the reason all of this is very important is that, deforestation is still happening at an alarming rate, according to the FAO. And every single second, the world loses tree cover that's equal to 1 football pitch, every single second. So that tells you how important planting trees and other actions are to fight climate change.
All right, Bloomberg's Fasi Mangi in Karachi.